Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how you can repair damaged, corrupt or broken video files or images if your photos or videos got corrupted during shoot or during file transfer or while editing, converting or processing. No matter what format those media files are, there is a way you can get them back with 4D file repair. The download link of this software is available in the video description. It can repair all kind of inaccessible, corrupt, unplayable, blurry photos, videos and files. This software is available for Windows and Mac. Download this software into your PC. After installing, launch it. You will see the interface like this. Here we have 4 options: video repair, photo repair, file repair and audio repair. In video repair, you can fix video errors and you can also enhance your video quality and colorize video. The second option is photo repair. Here you can fix photo errors, enhance photo quality, you can colorize your photos. The third option is file repair. You can repair any files from here. And fourth option is audio repair. Here you can repair all your corrupted audio files. So let's start with the video repair. I have a video in my computer which I want to repair. First I want to show you that video. So if I click on the play button, here it shows the video file is damaged or corrupted. So let me show you how you can repair your damaged video files. Click on the fix video errors. Select the video files you want to repair by clicking add videos button. I want to repair this video file. You can see the video name and video detail here. So click on the start repair. So wait just a while. You can see video repair complete. Click on video results. You can see the repair video here. You can also play it from here. For save this video into your PC, click on export button and select the folder where you want to save. You can see video is exported and let me play this video. You can see the video is repaired. Now I will show you how you can repair your corrupted photos. So click on fix photo error and select the photo you want to fix. This is for example only. That picture is not corrupted. So I want to show you only the process of fixing corrupted photos. So click on the start repair. After a while you will see the notification like this. Photo repair completes. So click on view results. You can also repair any file. Click on add file button and click on file you want to repair and click on start repair. In this process you can repair all type of your files, and the same process is for audio files repair. You can repair any type of audio files. This is an amazing software, so must check it out. The download link of this software is available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you have any question. I will see you in the next video.